Do you need to hang something heavy with a self-drilling drywall anchor, but you're not quite sure how to install it? If so, keep watching because I'll share with you 2 critical tips that I've learned over the years that will help you get this right the first time. Let's get right to it. With these drywall anchors, you need to ensure that you get them in the right place the very first time. If you are off and you have to take the anchor out, well, forget about it. You're gonna have to do drywall repair. So you measure appropriately, make sure you get it where you need it, and then you can put it into the wall. Make sure you make a mark on the wall exactly where you want this anchor to go. And then, to ensure that it goes in the exact spot you need, use the end of a Phillips drill bit tip on your drill and put it into the wall. Put a divot right in the wall. But this will ensure that when you start drilling that anchor into the wall, it's going to go straight into the spot where you need it to be. Now you can simply take your screw and screw it directly into the hole in the middle of the drywall anchor. As you do so, you will hear a snap in the back of the wall. This is good, it's not a bad thing. This is actually the anchor snapping and putting additional pressure or tension on the back of the drywall to hold the weight that you're putting on the front of the drywall. Be sure not to screw this screw all the way in. Leave enough surface area there to hang whatever it is that you're hanging. If you're putting it through some sort of material, make sure you put the screw through the material before you put it in. And now that your screw's in place, you can simply hang your item. But you might be wondering just how much weight this drywall anchor can hold, and if so, check out this video. Until the next time, keep doing it yourself.